So let me show you a demo of RightMyWork, how entire manuscripts can be edited in one go. You upload the manuscript, you wait for the edit, and then you download a fully edited manuscript in a style guide. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the website, the website where you are going to edit the manuscript as a whole. So writemywork.com, log on to there, and click on upload your manuscript. We have 3 engines right now, but these 2 are better. So we will go to RightMyWork editor right now. Let's check editing and proofreading right now. So I will edit a document and show it to you. Let me choose any manuscript. We can choose the English type. Do you want the edits to be in US English or UK English? Now, if you choose US English, what you'll get is you'll get double quotes and the quotation marks, and you'll also get US English spellings, right? Likewise, UK English will result in your quotation marks as single quotes and also UK English spellings, right? There are other nuances also. For example, the placement of comma, whether it is inside the quotation marks or outside the quotation marks. So stuff like that, right? Now, you can also choose the style guide in which you want to adhere your manuscript into. So you can choose from a couple of style guides over here. Right now, we support 9+ style guides, 10 including CMOS. Let's say we'll edit this manuscript in Chicago Notes bibliography style, right? And there are 3 options to choose from. If you want only the errors to remove from your document, you can choose proofreading only. If you choose light editing, what it does is it reduces the fluff in your writing, redundant writing, and then it clears those things that are unwanted. And the full editing lets the LLM edit the flow, diction, the voice and tone, things like that. So it's like full scope of editing. It does not mean that it will go on like like an ox into the street, but it's more like do things that are needed to be done to make this manuscript or to elevate the manuscript to the next level. That is what it does. Now you can also add instructions, what we call custom instructions to the manuscript, to the LLM. So if I say change all the instances of capital letter phrases into small letter phrases, then it does that, right? So you can add 4 custom instructions here. The reason why there are fewer custom instructions to add is most of the generalized instructions like grammar, similarly style related issues, those all are already covered. The LLM will already do those. We have those already fixed. Now what you can add into the custom instruction are your specific requests to the LLM. For example, your supervisor returned a couple of suggestions to you and you want that suggestions to be incorporated into the text. That will happen only if you add instructions over here. So now let's proceed to editing. It will say whether style matched or not. Let us confirm and then go ahead. And now this is our editing pane. You will see real-time editing progress over here. If your document has only main text will show. If your document has bibliography and main text progresses will show over here. Similarly, if your document has footnotes editing progress will show here. And real-time editing can be seen. We do not claim to be the fastest editor, okay? Because fast always messes things up. So what we do is we take the time that the LLM takes, but we focus on quality and latency both. We do not take forever to edit, but we also don't do at a snap of a finger. Now the editing is almost complete. What can you expect from the edits? So a completely edited manuscript with native level or human level track changes is coming up. So let me download this. I'll save it on desktop. So here's the file. There's no foul play here, okay? So so if you see this, then you can see that the edits are first of all, the document did not get corrupted, because that is what happens when you upload a document to a uploader, right? First. Second, the track changes are very native level track changes, or they are not complete sentence level insertion and deletion unless that's a rewrite. Okay, if that's a rewrite, then that's completely okay. If rewrite is okay with you. But if you are omitting only a single word, then very close insertion and deletion is the way to go, which the LLM has perfectly done over here. I can show you a couple of examples. For example, only a single word is deleted, and then whatever is to be pasted is pasted. Yeah. the accuracy depends on the LLM. So if you swap the LLM, if you use proprietary model, you will get one kind of accuracy in the documents. If you use a frontier model, the accuracy will be a certain way. If you use a cheap local model, then you'll have one kind of accuracy. We don't bet on accuracy. We are an intelligence company and a document reconstruction company. What we do is we take your document, we take the edits, we make or force the LLM edit a certain way because it misbehaves most of the time. And then we take the edits in the document, use our input and output section intelligence, and then reconstruct the document in a safer way with native level track changes. That is what we do, and that is what you are seeing in the document over here.